Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete Canva comments. So if you're collaborating on a design with someone, whether you're a graphic designer or a business owner, might leave each other comments on the designs. So to resolve them or delete them, this is how you do it. So you can see here in this top left hand corner, I've got a comment on this design. If I want to delete it, I can click on it to view it, and I have a couple of options here. What I can do, if I've resolved it, I can click on the resolve button and that will remove the comment. So I'm just going to click on undo so it's back again. The other option you have to delete the comment is go to the three dots, click on more, then you can click on delete and that will remove the comment. So that's it. That's how to delete comments in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.